Hi everyone, John here, Shadow's RC Farm. I do an unboxing video and show you some things that I've done. We're going to show you some excavators. I said I was going to do this 1/24 scale during the spring, but I figured I'll just unbox it with a bunch of the other excavators I'm going to show. Show you the 1/64 scale excavator. That will be later on. This is a 1/26 scale excavator. I'm gonna probably use this with my diorama. I'll unbox that one as well. So we're gonna unbox all of these. The 1/24. This is Diecast Masters. I'll unbox it, but it's gonna be pretty much shown in the springtime when I could go play outside when it's not so cold and wet and stuff. So yeah. Oh, I wanted to say thank you for everybody that's subscribed. They've been commenting. They liked my video. They're even viewing my videos. I appreciate it. I thank you. Shout out to you all. I appreciate all the support. So let's get into this. Let's do this Diecast Masters because I think everybody wants to see this bad boy. So the box. So it shows all the functions. The stuff in the back. Shows all the specs. Shows what it can do, and each thing's individually, which takes some getting used to. It comes with a controller, it comes with batteries, and all that good stuff. So let's open this up. Lovely styrofoam. One thing I don't like. That's why I don't like it. Because of the sound. So let's get this back here. Sorry for the loudness. We're just going to have little spots, and we're just going to show you all this stuff. I had all this stuff. All this stuff was charger stuff. I did it back a little while ago, so I can make sure it worked. There we go. Get rid of that styrofoam I can't stand. And it comes with some handy dandy instructions. So it's the CAT 336 hydraulic excavator. It shows you all the operating stuff, what you do, everything on there, and it shows you the stuff on the back. So it shows all the stuff, and it shows you the controllers, how to do stuff. But this is a really nice excavator. I really like it. So let's see, I gotta get stuff open so I can show you real quick. Okay, so this one is on the top. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you the controller. Controller's in the back of the styrofoam. So that's where the controller is. Here's the controller. It just unscrews in the back. So I'm gonna get the stuff undone here, and the main battery will go up on top of there. Stuff. So bear with me. Alright, batteries are in here. So this comes with 2 AA batteries. This will come with that rechargeable battery. You just plug into there. It just goes right on here like this. Has a tab that you turn, and it will lock it. So let's look at this real quick. Let's do this. So here is the excavator. Lights and sound, fully function. And it comes with a USB charger. And I actually bought a multi-charger thing for it. So let's turn this on. Just turn it on down here. Lovely sound. Nice and loud. You can turn it off right there. That turns the sound off. So let's see what it does. Up and down. Turns it. I believe these buttons is the tracks. One does the turning. So both at the same time, forward, backwards, bottoms backwards, tops forward. The bucket does that here for you. That's this one, goes up and down. Side to side is the turning. This one is that arm. That's the bucket. So there's a lot to have to learn. It's crazy, but it's really a nice excavator. I really like this one. So, and I think it has some metal pieces, but it's it's mostly plastic. So there is the 1/24 scale one. Let's take a look at this one. The 1/64 mini digger. Let's see how this thing looks here. It has it on the bottom. Comes with the controller, and it has a nice little display case, which is kind of nice. It has the directions. Antenna. Here. There. Antenna. So it has a charging line. So you're supposed to put the battery in here. And then you got to charge it. So I don't know how that's going to work. Don't know how long it's going to take. We'll get it figured out here in a bit. So I got some batteries. Takes AA's. Get it in there. Let's do this one first. I just broke that. This one. Yeah, it's a little better. So, put that on there. Open this up. Yes. Right, all taped on there somehow. Oh, it's screwed in there. It has a little screw right there. Let's do that. Take that screw out real quick. Like that. Alright, so it was taped on the sides. This comes off. Hopefully it comes off. Just pulls out. So it has a nice little display case for it. So let's see here. So it does function, but you have to turn it yourself. With this yourself, this yourself, this. So it only functions remote controlled is forward and back. And in here is the charging. Hands are too big. So this will charge right in here. So we'll plug this in, let it charge for a little bit. And it says it has a charging light. All right, so let that go over there and we'll let it charge. All right, let's do this. This is the excavator for my diorama. Let's see how this is. I know it works. I've had it. I made sure it worked way before. I had it for a long time. Just have never done an unboxing video. With it. It comes with its own stuff. And it has the charger. Has instructions. And it actually comes with the little screwdriver I've been using. But it should be charged I'll just add batteries to it. This is, oh yeah, has some screws down here. Screw these. Alright. Those out of the way. Well, that's that one. Nice little mini excavator, 1/24 scale. I think it'll work pretty good for my, for my diorama upstairs I got going. Let's get the batteries in here. Hopefully it works. So I have some here. So don't forget to like, subscribe, leave comments on what you like and all that stuff. And see, let me know what you think about my diorama. I think in the last video I showed a little tease of everything set up. I got it going a little bit. I'm actually working on the ditch a little bit more. It comes with its own battery pack in here, by the way. It is a little different from the others, from the bigger one. Put this in there. Just big battery. There, just like that. Let's hope that it still has a good charge, right? Let's turn this on. And it's not on over there. Turn it on down here. Ooh, I think it's dead. I think I have to recharge. Oh no, sweet. It is working. I was waiting for like buttons or like a sound. So let's see here what we do. Forward, back, left, right. These buttons do the arm. So it's like a one motion. On both of these, and this is your swivel. So I think this is going to be a nice little addition to my diorama upstairs. I think it'll be good, but you can see how it's a little different. Different from the 1/24 scale, for sure. But this is it. This is a double E. Got it off of eBay. The die-cast masters I bought off of, I think that was eBay too, actually. But they're not too poorly priced. Let's see what happens with this. See if we can get this to work. Let's just see what happens. I think it has to charge a little bit longer, maybe. Oh, there we go. There we go. Okay, let's take a look at that. So it's fast. Oh, so you have to. This is really fast. If these buttons, it goes fast. This. See if you can see it. So yeah, so there's that one. Just forward, backwards, reverse. It has a demo as well. So So yeah, there we go. Those are my excavators that I bought. I'll show you here all these excavators. Excavator Emporium. Hope you guys enjoy this video and stuff. I have one more thing to show you that I was working on. Built my house for my diorama. Let's show you the house. There is my house. I put how to build it myself, glue and stuff. I put the tree and the rocks. But that is the house. This does come off, so you can see inside. So if you wanted to, you could put, you could build stuff inside it. And the back. Back of the house. So this nice little rambler house is what they call it. That's the house for the diorama. Again, hope you enjoyed this video for the little unboxing of the excavators and showing you my little house for my diorama. Enjoy, and everybody take care. Bye.